Life cycle of a Singleton session bean in Jakarta Enterprise Bean, so EJB. Now we are considering life cycle of a Singleton session bean. A Singleton session bean is a session bean component that is instantiated once per application. In case where the container is distributed over many virtual machines, each application will have one bean instance of the Singleton for each JVM. Once instantiated, the Singleton session bean instance lives for the duration of the application in which it is created. It maintains its state between client invocation, but its state is not required to survive container shutdown or crash. A Singleton session bean is intended to be shared, and it supports concurrent access. A Singleton session bean must not implement Jakarta.ejb.session synchronization interface or use session synchronization annotations. Following steps describe the life cycle of a Singleton session instance. A Singleton session bean instance life start with when the container invokes the session bean class constructor to create a Singleton session bean. Singleton bean instance. Next, the container perform dependency injection as is specified by the metadata annotations on the bean class or by deployment descriptor. The container then calls the post construct lifecycle callback interceptor method for the bean if any. The Singleton bean instance is now ready to be delegated a business method call from any client or a call from container to a timeout callback method. When the application is shutting down, the container invokes the pre-destroy life cycle callback interceptor method on the Singleton session bean instance, if any. This ends the life of the Singleton session bean instance. Here you can see does not exist interacts with method ready. Does not exist is connected to method ready. Step 1, around construct callbacks, if any. 2, constructor. 3, dependency injection, if any. 4, post construct callbacks, if any. Method ready is connected to itself via method. Method is an action initiated by client. Method ready is connected to itself via timeout callback method. Method ready is connected to does not exist via pre-destroy callbacks, if any. Here the constructor is an action initiated by the container. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.